and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind let go. And I don't go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, cause she get.
Guys, it is just how many days to Christmas? Christmas is tomorrow, and I quickly brought my people, my girls, the children. We are coming to the seafood market because we're actually making fisherman soup and all of that. So we hurried down this morning. Hi everyone. So we hurried down this morning to the market. Let's go and see fresh fish. So yeah, let's go. Seafood market under Lost Loop Beach. Let's go. This is where I'm even seeing. Good morning. So it's lion. It's crab. It's crab. It's prawns. This one is crab. This one is crab. This one is prawn. And this one is prawns. This one is a yak rice. When we check where promo they happen. Jesus.
If you want the small size, I'll bring it.
Where's the small size? Go bring a nice. Scary.
I mean, this one is 1.8. This one is 1.8.
1.8. Make a 1 kg, I beg.
Okay.
Why remove that fat one?
And a big one, that's our head is there. Make I go do everything this one.
Clean them, but I don't want to remove what. Remove the head, sharp.
Now, I will go.
Okay, clean them. What is this? Look.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's the lighting, is it good?
Yeah, it's very good though. Very good.
Come on, come, let's see.
Come on, go.
Come, let me get.
I don't really think I wanna be with you. Waiting, go do my steez if I cry for you.
She said she's Fantinelli.
That's why
Yes, guys, we are back home and it's time to season the chicken, clean it up, do everything. In fact, I've already even put chicken on fire because the cooking will start from this night. You guys know that Christmas in Bomsy's house is cooking, and my husband actually wants us to share food, so it's actually going to be bulk cooking, right? And let me show you guys what's happening in the kitchen. Merry Christmas, everybody! Merry Christmas from the Obichukus.
Okay.
So we're just spicing. This one too is the seafood, the fish we bought, the prawns, everything is in here. It's opening Maggie. It's opening Maggie. Come on, man.
The next day.
Merry Christmas, everybody. It is Christmas Day and we are about to start cooking jollof rice, fried rice, fisherman soup, avocado salad. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, each and every one of you. And I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. We just woke up. Look at Amber. Amber is sitting there waiting for jollof rice. Fry slowly. Over. Onions and tin tomatoes.
I'll start with fried rice.
It's not fried. This one is jollof rice first before fried rice comes. Spicy kid. This one is jollof rice first. Fried rice is coming. We are going to tell.
That one is golden more neutral. They take it yesterday night.
Peace. Peace.
Hey! Nah, today, peace. Okay, is calling you.
The next day.
Hey guys, today is 26th and I have an event. Thankfully, you guys excuse all these things on my face. It's that time of the month. But I have an event today and this is what the setup is already looking like. We were here from the previous night, to just do setup and everything. So at least we are up to speed. Birthday is supposed to start soon, but everything is ready. It's the DJ we're just actually waiting for. Working with vendors and managing vendors is not easy, but I decided to just sit down, relax, because my husband had to come with me last night. My staffs were here setting up, so I just came to really check what is happening, oversee, direct everything that is going on. Look Alpha, yes. If you give them Bounce House, CSAV. You guys, my client is actually a very cheap client. I'm thankful for that. But anyways, as party progress, I've just realized that I'm gonna bring my children here because they were like, "Oh, we don't even have so much guests." I'm like, "You don't have so much guests." My children are so much guests that they're gonna have such a short time. But anyways, guys, let the day go on. I'll carry you guys along with the events of the day. But we did a safari thing for them, and they're happy with it. The mom of the baby has come down, and I'm like, oh my god, even the dad as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys.
Tell me why you're crying, now can it be, girl?